The Migration of the Golden Birds, a story about bird migration, the reasons behind it, the impact of environmental changes, and the adventure to restore nature. Hello, little adventurers. Have you ever wondered why some birds migrate to different places during certain times of the year? What happens if one day they never come back? Today we follow Lily, a curious and nature-loving girl who discovers that the golden birds have stopped returning to her town. She embarks on a journey to solve this mystery and find a way to bring them back. If you love birds and nature, now let's begin this exciting adventure. The disappearance of the golden birds. Lily loved waking up to the sweet songs of the golden birds. Every year, at the beginning of spring, these beautiful birds return to her town, filling the trees in the park with their cheerful melodies. But this year, something strange happened. No birds returned. Worried, Lily ran to the park and looked around at the empty branches. Where did the birds go? Why didn't they come back this year? She rushed to her grandfather, a wise nature expert, and asked, "Grandpa, why didn't the golden birds return this year?" Her grandfather smiled gently and said, "Birds migrate every year, but if their environment changes, they might not come back." Lily frowned, "But why? They've always been here." Grandpa explained, "Bears migrate because temperatures change and food becomes scarce. They travel to places where they can find warmth and enough food. But if something disrupts their journey, they may not return." Layli was determined. "I need to find out what changed and how to bring them back." Why do bears migrate? Before beginning her adventure, Lily decided to research bird migration. Ideal temperature. Bears need a suitable climate to survive. When it gets too cold, food becomes scarce, so they travel to warmer places. Food availability. During winter, insects and fruits that birds eat disappear. Migration helps them find food. Safe habitats. Birds need trees and natural shelters for resting and nesting. If forests are destroyed, they must find new homes. Environmental pollution. Pollution in water, deforestation, and human activities can change migration routes and make areas uninhabitable for birds. Lily closed her notebook. Something in the environment must have changed, making the birds stay away. I have to find out what it is. Searching for the cause of the disappearance. With her binoculars, notebook, and backpack, Lily set off to look for clues about the missing golden birds. The park ranger said several trees were cut down last year. Maybe the birds lost their nesting places. The flower shop owner sighed. The flowers that used to bloom early in spring have stopped growing. Maybe there's not enough nectar for them. The fisherman by the river frowned. The river has become polluted. If they needed to drink water, they probably left to find a cleaner place. Lily wrote in her notebook, fewer trees, less food, polluted water. Could these be the reasons the birds didn't return? Mission Save the Golden Birds. Lily decided to take action. She gathered her friends and asked for help from the townspeople. Together, they worked on restoring the birds' habitat, planted more trees so birds could build their nests again, grew flowers to provide nectar and attract insects for food, cleaned the river so birds and other animals could drink from it again, put up signs reminding people to keep the environment clean. After weeks of hard work, the town's natural environment started to recover. Trees grew stronger, flowers bloomed again, and the river sparkled under the sunlight. But would the birds return? The return of the golden birds. One early morning, Lily climbed a hill near the park with her binoculars. She scanned the sky and then she saw it, a golden shimmer in the distance. The birds, Lily shouted. Dozens of golden birds appeared in the sky, their feathers shining under the sun. Their joyful songs filled the air as they flew down to rest in the trees, drink from the river, and play among the blooming flowers. They came home. Lily cheered, turning to her friends with a huge smile. We did it. We saved their home. Conclusion: how can we help nature? Lily's adventure taught us that birds need a safe and healthy environment to survive. If we take care of nature, they will always return. Here's how you can help too. Plant trees and flowers to give birds food and shelter. Reduce plastic use and never leave trash in nature. Keep rivers and lakes clean so birds and animals can use them safely. Educate others about the importance of protecting the environment. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. What would you do to help birds? Tell us in the comments. Until next time, take care of nature and stay kind.